Hi, this is my rocking horse model, and as you can see here, I have drawn them and cut them out into templates, template horse and template sledge, to demonstrate how they will form as one when making my product. And I will be showing the processes of how it will all come together. Making this model, I've used cardboard and blue tack. The reason why I've used blue tack is the blue tack for now, or just let's pretend it will be holes, and these holes will actually connect. So for example, the blue tack, it will be a hole, and you know the sledge will be connected to the hoof. So when it connects, so the hole will be connected, and I'll use screws to screw them together so they can stay in place and so they can work and function properly. So that's what the blue tack is actually for. And here as well, for when I want to put the other horse together, this will be a hole, and I'll just use a screw and a screwdriver just to put them together like so. Okay. So unfortunately, I'm not able to show how my wheels will be inserted inside the hoof, because I did mention and I would like to be able to show that, and today I can't show that. So for my iteration 4, I'll be showing how the wheels can go inside the hoof and come down when the wheels are needed, and the wheels will obviously be needed later on when the child develops and when the child wants to ride the bike, and I'll be showing that later. And sorry that I can't show that now, but these are what the wheels will look like, and the wheels will be inside the hoof, and the hoof will have like a space and like a compartment where it will help to secure the wheels. So this when I'm actually making my product, I'll actually cut it out like this, like into templates, because I feel like it's much easier for me to put all things to help. It'll actually help me to put things together, and I feel that a rocking horse is actually cut out into small parts, small templates, and all gathered as one and connected as one. This template, so this is cardboard, but my real product, I will be actually using maple wood or oak wood because it's water soluble, and especially if my product would turn into a bike, so I would need something that will, that wouldn't spoil. And I think oak is really good for outside, especially when it's raining, and it would not spoil. It won't be spoiled as easily as just not like timber wood or other woods like that. The sledge will be made of flexi ply, so the sledge you don't need it to be water soluble because it's only going to be used until the child is around 6 months or 8 months, and the sledge will be made of flexi ply. Flexi ply is flexible, it can bend, and it's also good to use for a rocking horse. And I will also show how everything will be put together. So here this will be stuck like so. Sorry if you can't see here. The sledge to here will be connected like so. So when I mean connected, like I said, in near the big well, I didn't say at the beginning, but like I said, it will actually have a hole. So it will actually have a hole, and this hole will help me connect to the hoof, because I would use a screw and a screwdriver to screw it down, and I think it will be much easier and will be more successful. This has a hole, and this is not for where the screwdriver will be placed. This hole is actually for the pedal, and this hole is for here. Sorry if you can see, let me just zoom in. This hole here is for the handles, And for iteration 5, sorry, I forgot to mention, I'm going to be looking in depth because my lamp, I was inspired by my lamp for my pedals and handles, because my lamp can actually bend, and because of the material used, the body of the lamp is made of steel. I'll be showing how I can actually make my pedal and handle bend, so it will be easy for storage as well. Yeah, once the sledge, because later on the sledge will be removed, it won't be wasted because you can use it as a support or a stand for other things. And hopefully my video was quite useful and understanding. And yeah, so this is all put out together, this is all separated out, and this will actually be the way I will actually put my things together when I'm actually making my product. So everything will be in templates, it will be separated at first, but it will actually be all put in together, and I'm just showing how everything will come together. Yeah.